Hello guys, welcome back to Vanguard Studios. This is CXSVS. Today I have 4 cubes on my table. These are all MoU budget cubes that I mentioned earlier in my last video. So this is a MoU Meilong Square 1. It's pretty good. Yeah, and it has some nice color schemes. And it actually turns really smooth. This is only for 20 Hong Kong dollars, so it's a great deal. The same applies for all these other 3 cubes. The pyramid is also $20. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty smooth. And 2x2 and 3x3. This is the same 3x3 that I showed in the last video. So today we're going to be focusing on 3x3 since we're going to teach you the beginner's method to solve the cube. So let's put all these off to the side, and now here it is. This is a MoU budget 3x3. I'm going to use this to show you the beginner CFOP method for the Rubik's Cube. So what is CFOP? CFOP stands for 4 stages to solve the Rubik's Cube. The first is the cross. Second is the first 2 layers, known as F2L. And then it is OLL, orientation of the last layer, and PLL, permutation of the last layer. So let's get started. Now, here's the cube, pretty good scrambled. For educational purposes, I'm going to start with the white layer, since this is what most beginners do, and it's the most popular solution. So the first step is to make the white cross. But make sure that the edges colors are the same as the centers. So we have orange right here. Oops, put that in. We have red right here. We have green here. So here's the cross. The cross and the F2L stage can all be done intuitively, so I don't need to talk a lot about it, since if you know the beginner's method, you should already know how to solve the cross. Now for the F2L, it's a little bit complicated. So what we're trying to do is to put the edge and the corner into a pair and then insert it into a slot. So let's start with this pair, the green-orange pair. So you can see there's a corner right here and the edge is here. Since they're not in the top layer, we're going to move it to the top layer. And then the white sticker is on top. Let's make sure that it is not on top. Then you need to pair them together. Now it comes down to OLL and PLL. These 2 steps you need to learn algorithms. So let's start with the OLL algorithms. But before we do that, I'm going to show you how this actually works. Okay. Do the cross. This is beginner OLL. Finish the OLL. Permute the corners. And permute the edges. So let's start with the OLL cases. For beginner OLL, you need to do 2 steps. The first steps, as you saw before, is to orient the cross, the edge pieces, and then the second step is to orient the corner pieces. So if you see a dot, only the center cap is facing up, and the other 4 aren't the color you're looking for, and then you do this algorithm. here's the cross. If you see this L shape right here, put it in the bottom right corner and then do this algorithm. If you see a line across like an I, put it so that it's horizontal and do this algorithm. Now, here's the second step of OLL, corner orientation. Now, if you see one corner sticker facing top, then look at this piece. If it has sticker here, do the soon algorithm. If it has the sticker here, do the anti-soon algorithm. So you can see this one, this piece has this sticker facing here, so we're going to do the anti-soon algorithm, which is this one. The whole top layer is oriented. And if the sticker is facing here, as I said before, do the soon algorithm, which is this. If you see two corner stickers facing up, look at these two blocks. If they are here, do the T permutation algorithm. Not permutation, the TOLL case algorithm. If they're here, do the U case algorithm. So in this case we have T, so we're going to do this one. And if these two stickers are here, put the cube like this, hold the cube like this, and then do this algorithm. If you see two stickers diagonally from each other, then you have the L case. Make sure that this yellow sticker is facing you. It shouldn't be facing this way. It should be facing you. And then you need to do this algorithm. Okay, if you see no corner stickers facing top, look at these sides. So in this case, we have the pie case. There are these two stickers facing here, and these two here. Hold the cube like this, and do this algorithm. If all four stickers are opposite from each other, like this, hold the cube like this, do this algorithm. This algorithm is the easiest. OLL algorithm is done. It's time to do the PLL algorithms. Now, this case right here, all these side corner stickers are the opposite color of each other. So this is the Y permutation. Hold the cube any way you want actually, and do this algorithm. If you see one side, these two corner stickers are the same, and the other side is different, put this on the left, and then do this algorithm. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is the corner permutation. For the edges permutations, if you see these three edges form a cycle, they need to be exchanged, and the opposite color edge is on the right side, then you've encountered the first variation of the U-perm. do this algorithm. If you see the opposite color sticker on the other side, then you've encountered the second variation. The algorithm's like this. If you see all the edges colors are of opposite colors, and then you've encountered the H perm, do this algorithm. If you see these two edges needed to be swapped, and these two edges needed to be swapped, hold the cube like this, and do this algorithm. There it is. That's the CFOP method. You have learned how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, you might think that the F2L stage I have explained very unclearly, because this video is not supposed to be focusing on the F2L stage. It's focusing on the OLL and the PLL algorithms. So maybe one day I will make a tutorial on the F2L and how to do the first two layers better. So that's it. The video is gonna end. But before you go, I recently went to an origami exhibition, and there were 10 very good origami art that I wanted to show you guys. So let's see the video.